Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Tuan Syaiful Aiman bin Tuan Hussein. My matrix number is 252684. So today I would like to present about my lab 2, which is I'm doing splash screen, login screen and register page. So I'm start with my splash screen. So this is my coding for my splash screen. So next I'm going to show you my code for the login screen. So this is the code for the login screen. And finally I will show you the registration page code. So here is my registration page code. So let's try to run the code. Next we're going to the register a new account, and so when we press the register button, the registration confirmation will pop up and we just click yes. So I think that's all about my lab 2. Thank you.